Hey guys, it's Summer and we are back with another unboxing video. Today we're going to be checking out the MKO13R keyboard. So as you guys can see, this is a full-size keyboard with number pads. The MKO13R comes in black color and the special edition white. So what makes the MKO13R different from the other keyboards out there? This keyboard uses optical mechanical switches where it has a cycle lifespan of 100 million clicks. So the MKO13R is a RGB keyboard where it is macroable with fully customizable 16.8 million color backlights. Some of you may ask, what's the difference between the black MKO13R and the special edition white? Well, the biggest difference is the keycaps used and of course the color. Black MKO13R uses Kevlar tag keycaps, whereas the special edition white uses diamond tag keycaps. Both keycaps comes with the lifetime fade-proof warranty, so you guys don't need to worry about your keys disappearing after a long period of usage. I'm gonna go with the special edition white because it's shiny and it's pretty cool. What about you? Let me know in the comments. As usual, if you want to get yourself a MKO13R keyboard, check out the link in the description box. My name is Summer. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!